How to improve your English language in just 1 week. Can you really improve your English in just 1 week? It sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that by the time you finish reading this article, you won't just believe it? You'll know exactly how to make it happen. Before we begin, let's build a little suspense. Picture this. You're standing in a room full of people. Everyone is chatting, smiling, and someone turns to you and asks a simple question in English. You open your mouth to answer, but suddenly, nothing. Your mind goes blank. Your heart starts racing, your palms sweat, your throat tightens. You feel frozen. Someone laughs softly, and inside you think, oh no, I should have practiced more English. Embarrassing, right? Painful even. But what if I told you that this situation, this fear, could disappear in just 7 days? What if just 1 week from today, you could walk into any room, speak English confidently, and make everyone stop and listen? Would you be ready to change your life? If yes, then buckle up. This journey is about to get exciting, crazy, and a little bit magical. Day 1. The secret listening trick. Today is special. It's the beginning of your transformation. And guess what? You're going to break the usual rules. No textbooks today. No grammar drills. No long writing exercises. Today, you do one thing. Listen. Fill your ears with English. Play podcasts while you cook. Listen to YouTube videos while you clean. Watch English movies while you relax. Even if you don't understand every word, don't worry. Your job today is to feel English, its rhythm, its sounds, its music. Why is this important? Because before a child learns to speak, they spend months just listening. They absorb the sounds of their language without pressure. Today, you are doing the same. Let English become the background music of your life. Trust the process. Day 2. Mirror magic. Talk to the champion. Inside you, today's challenge is fun and powerful. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Find a mirror. Stand tall. Look into your own eyes. Now, start speaking English. Start small. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I am learning English, and I'm proud of myself. At first, it might feel silly. You might even laugh at yourself. That's good. It means you're stepping out of your comfort zone. Smile. Keep going. Make longer sentences. Talk about your day, your plans, your dreams. Imagine you are talking to a famous person and you must impress them. Focus on your face, your expressions, your voice. The mirror is your best coach. It never judges you. It shows you your fear and helps you destroy it. Every minute you talk to yourself, you are building unshakable confidence. Day 3, the imitation game. Learn like a baby. Today, you become a language detective. Think about how babies learn a language. They listen, watch, and imitate everything around them without worrying about mistakes. Your mission today: Imitate English naturally. Watch a short video, maybe a funny clip, a motivational speech, or even a cartoon. This time, don't pause after every sentence. Instead, listen carefully for 30 seconds. Then try to repeat what you heard, even if it's not perfect. Mimic the tone, speed, energy, and emotions. Example: if the speaker is excited, you must sound excited. If the speaker sounds serious, you become serious too. Don't focus on getting every word right. Focus on getting the feeling, the music of English. Why? Because language is not just words. It's emotion, rhythm, and connection. Practice this imitation game for 20 to 30 minutes today. Practice this imitation game for 20 to 30 minutes today. You'll notice you start feeling English, not just thinking English. And that's a huge step forward. Day 4, the daily life story. Challenge. Today, you will become a storyteller, the hero of your own life. Your task is simple but powerful. Tell the story of your day in English. At the end of the day, sit for 5 to 10 minutes and talk out loud about what happened. For example, this morning I woke up early because I was excited. I listened to an English podcast while brushing my teeth. Then I made some coffee and watched a short English video. In the afternoon, I practiced speaking to myself in the mirror. Don't worry about making perfect sentences. Don't overthink grammar. Just tell your story. Naturally, easily, like you're telling a friend. If you want, you can record your voice and listen to it later. You'll be surprised how much you can say in English without even realizing it. This habit, daily storytelling, is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency, vocabulary, and confidence at the same time. Day 5, speak without fear challenge. Today is the big courage test. You must speak English to someone, anyone. It could be a friend, a family member, a shopkeeper, or even a stranger online. If no one is available, open your phone's recorder and talk for 2 minutes. Topic ideas. Talk about your favorite movie. Describe your dream vacation. Share your favorite memory. Remember, your goal is not perfection. It is communication. Mistakes? Bring them on. Every mistake is a stepping stone to fluency. Be proud. You are speaking, and that's what matters. Speaking English in real-life situations, even in small ways, creates real magic. Day 6. Build your mini English world. Today, you create an English environment around you. How? Simple steps. Change your phone's language to English. Watch one English video without subtitles. Think in English when doing small tasks. Label items in your house with English words if you want. Example: when you make tea, think, I am boiling water. Now I am adding tea leaves. These small mental exercises are powerful. You are not studying English anymore. You are living in English. And that's the real secret to speaking fluently. Day 7, Celebration Day. Speak your heart out. Congratulations, champion! You made it to day 7. Today is about celebration and reflection. Find a quiet place, take a deep breath, and start speaking English from your heart. Talk about your 7-day journey, what you learned, what you loved, what surprised you, what you plan to do next. No script, no fear, just you and your new English voice. Record yourself if you can. Listen back with pride. You are not the same person you were 7 days ago. You are stronger, smarter, braver. You took control of your learning, and that power is now yours forever. Final words. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is a habit, a small daily choice. In just 7 days, you have built the foundation. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing. Your English journey has only just begun. And trust me, the best is yet to come.